Alright, I believe I have everything on the handlebars at least set up. So I'm going to go with the thumb throttle right here. That's for the Bafang. The mid motor has the pedal assist. The front hub is just going to be throttle only, which is this guy right here. I have the battery off. And so shifter here, I got the controller for that. So just one screen, just going to run the Bafang, the screen there. I'll probably set this over so I can honk a little easier. But yeah, like that set up, and just got to wire in a few things, touch up some of these wires. I'm going to build, or not, cut out, I don't know, like triangle piece of plastic or something and put on each side and smash in the wires in between. Tape some stuff up, make it look nice. Finish off the brakes. So the 52 volt I used to have on the Bafang. I switched the settings and stuff, but I still didn't really like how it doesn't show the percentage. It shows you the voltage. So there wasn't a huge difference to me in performance. So I'm going to use this 48 volt battery I've had, or that came with this bike, for the Bafang. So it can change the settings on that on the computer with the cable. Then this controller is set up for 48 or up to 72. So I'm probably going to end up getting a 72 volt battery for this. I was going to go triangle and fit it in there, but the controller is so big, I don't know exactly. But yeah, I'd rather have a, I want the 72 volt, I want the top speed. So I got the front hub for speed. So I understand there's a lot of haters out there. This is added weight. This is overkill. It's going to snap your front forks. I've heard that. I get that. I've got another torque arm coming. But torque arms on there. Only 115 pounds, to be honest. And I don't really plan on riding this super hard. What I'm going to use is the mid-drive, you know, on trails and stuff. And when I'm on the road, you know, hit the throttle. For the front hub, I like the speed of hub motors. So it's nice to have both for the added range too. So hopefully I get like closer to 60 or 70 plus miles would be sweet. I just ride to pretty much get out with my dogs. So, hey Brian, that's Brian. Named after LeBron James. MJ's out here somewhere after Michael Jordan. I'm a basketball guy. Last thing is just setting up the chain over here, and it's lined up pretty well. Just going over a few last little things. Thanks for following. Stay tuned for a post on outside on performance and testing.